evening and I am sitting here wondering, should I even go? The excitement is there, but so is the hesitation. You know that feeling. Welcome back, people. So I need to pack my stuff and rush for Delhi because we are going to celebrate Holi in Sangla with bunch of strangers. And you must be thinking why I'm going to Delhi. So you'll know on the way why I'm going to Delhi. Packing for a trip is easy. It's the decision to go that's hard. And when it's a night bus, the stake feels different somehow. But sometimes you don't need to think too much. You just need to pack and leave. Packing isn't just about clothes, it's about preparing yourself mentally for the road, for the unknown, for whatever is waiting at the other end. So, our luggage is packed and we are about to leave for Sangla Holi. Let's go and start our journey. Shimla at night, it's quiet in a way that feels almost unnatural. Like the town itself is sleeping and you are the only one awake. So this is our bus. And then the bus arrives and you realize that there is no turning back now. There's something about night journey. You are in transit between two places. Not quite here, not quite there. We are at Delhi and this city, it never stops. It's too chaotic. It's 5:30 in the morning and it's full of traffic. Let's go. The cold fades, the view opens up, and you feel like you have crossed some invisible line from the mountains to the plain. The journey from Shimla to Delhi is over, but this is just the beginning. It's strange how different the road feels on the way back. Same route, same bus, but the excitement feels different because now the mountains are calling. Shimla feels different every time I come back. Same streets, same hills. It always feels like home. So guys, here we are in Shimla and we are leaving from here towards Sangla.
उसके साथ अच्छी बनती थी तो एक शिमला का एक अकेला ऑटो है आपको कहीं भी पूरे शिमला में ऑटो नहीं मिलेगा सिर्फ यहाँ शिमला एक सिमरली गाड़ी चलता है
It's amazing. कभी बादल कभी धूप. Different faces of Mother Nature. Sangla Holi. So here we are at Sanj and it's too hot here. Jacket उतारनी पड़ेगी मुझे. Temperature, climatic changes, we can say this. The road to Sangla is not for faint of hearts. Narrow roads, sharp curves, and sheer drops, but the views they make it all worth. The stretch from Rampur to Sangla is a real test. The road hugs the cliffside, one wrong turn, and you are looking at a 500-foot drop into the Satluj. Didi is from Jammu and she makes lovely Rajma Chawal. So whenever I go from here, I have lunch here. Lunch here costs you around 80 to 100 and the taste of Rajma gives you a feel of entering higher upper ranges of Himalaya. All of us had our meal and we started our journey towards Sangla. Hello. So here is a beautiful temple. I don't know of which Devta it is, but let me show you. On a cliff. See. On a cliff. We are getting our vehicle registered in Kinnaur Dwar. Tranda Dhak. Whenever I come here, I stop here. One of the beautiful temples on this dangerous slope, and it is believed that when you go from here, you need to Mata take nikalna chahiye. After hours of sharp turns, narrow passes, and heart-stopping drops, the quiet Sangla Valley feels like a reward. Due to rain and heavy crowd for Sangla Holi, it was difficult to find accommodation. So book a month before coming for Sangla Holi. Here we are for the Holi Dahan for Badrinath Devta, and here it is. Evening in Sangla and the energy in the air shifts. Kamru Fort stands quietly above the valley, but tonight it's coming alive. As the fire grows, So does the sound of the dhols. Slow at first, then faster and louder and louder. Greeting Lord Badrinath.
This is the palki.
This is Holi in Sangla. It's not about chaos, it's about cleansing, burning away the old year, making space for what's next. And it all begins at Kamri Fort. The fire is a symbol, burning away misfortune and inviting prosperity. It's not chaotic, it's synchronized. The drumbeat, the fire, the colors, it all feels connected.
This is the vibrant culture of Himachal where Lord Badrinath, जब यहाँ पे लॉर्ड बद्रीनाथ को होली दहन की जाती है उसके बाद ही होली स्टार्ट्स एट वृंदावन एंड मथुरा. तो यू कैन सी द आर्किटेक्चर और वहाँ पे दहन हो चुका है जो पालकी थी.
The dance begins slowly. It is not a random dance. It's structured, it's practiced. The circle represents unity and every step follows a pattern passed through the generations. This is Holi in Sangla, not just color and celebration, but cleansing, renewal and connection. It's not just excitement, it's comfort, the feeling of being part of something bigger, a tradition through generations.
You know, it's amazing to be here to attend this festival. I'm loving it. Hello. What a beautiful.
Tomorrow the valley explodes with
Sangla
colors, but tonight it's about grounding, connection and quiet joy.